How to know your GCash reference number. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your GCash reference number, whether you just sent money, paid bills, or bought a load. So it's super simple. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up GCash application. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, now tap on the activity or transaction tab, which will show all of your recent transaction. Then select the transaction. After that, once you find the transaction that you want, just tap on it and you will see full details like the amount, date, time, and of course the reference number, which will usually look like 8 to 13 characters number. But in case if you cannot access from the application, you could also look for the older transaction via SMS or email. GCash also sends you text message and email every time you complete a transaction. So just open up your messages application in your device or open up Gmail on GCash. You'll find all that there is. That's it. That's how you can find the reference number of GCash. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.